So this is our second outlet in Hyderabad at Sarat City Mall. What Bombay Shirt Company is all about, being based out of Bombay, we started back in 2012 as an online platform, and today we are 23 stores strong, covering almost all parts of India. Why Hyderabad? Because after the success of our first store, we saw that our consumers really enjoyed customizing and making their own designs with our shirts. Bombay Shirt Company is known for custom made. We have got from shirts to bottoms with jeans, chinos, formal trousers, Neapolitan pants, dress pants, t-shirts, and now we ventured into blazers, jackets. Recently, we collaborated with a very well-known designer, Arjun Khanna, and we came with a limited edition collection. We often do that. We bring something new to our consumers every time. I would like to show a glimpse of that. One of the pieces from the collection. This is from Arjun Khanna's collection. It's a denim collection, lightweight, breathable, summer ready, something the Indian market can really enjoy and wear throughout, because we maximum have summers all the time, right? Besides that, you can see a full length collection behind me. When it comes to custom make, Bombay Shirt Company is a pioneer there, because a customer can come in, customize the collar, the piping, can decide to do contrast coloring, can choose the kind of cuff they want, the button type, from a wood button to maybe a original white button, the kind of thread they want to use, the color of the thread they want to use. So we provide in-store experience which is at par with none. You get the best experience, best service. We have an in-store stylist to help you choose your style according to the occasion you're shopping for. If family members are coming in, we also do gift cards when your partner wants to shop for you. So there are ample opportunities for everybody, and I really hope that... How many branches do we have? In Hyderabad, we have 2 branches. One is at Jubilee Hills, and this is our newest branch at Sarat City. So how is the response from the Hyderabad? It has been very excellent. That's the reason we have come up with our second store. Jubilee Hills has been growing year on year. 3 years into the market, amazing response from our consumers. Almost 98% have 5-star rating, given us 5-star rating. The kind of response, the kind of surveys that we have done and the feedback that we have gotten is why they like us. One, the kind of customizations we provide. Second, the in-store experience with meeting our stylists, with sitting down, choosing their fabric, deciding on what kind of design they want to go with. See, understand, Indian people come with different shapes and sizes. Not everyone is same, right? So that means when you go to purchase a standard size in the market, sometimes the shirt length is too long, too short, collar not sitting well. Here you can choose. I want soft collar, I want stiff collar, I want my cuff to be the French cuff with 2 buttons. You have the choice of doing that. And the best price, our pricing starts from 2500 for a shirt, 3500 for bottoms. We have fabrics from all mills globally. It is not just Indian mills, we source from global mills, Japanese, we have Spanish mills. It is amazing, many other European mills are also there. So when it comes to fabric, at any given point in time, there are 500 fabrics available at store to choose from. Stripes, checks, solid colors, Egyptian cotton, silk. We do amazing silk products, and those are for the kind of people who love to experiment a little bit more. So yes, and we have bespoke fabrics as well. So when it comes to fabric, again price starts 2500 going up to 50,000. You decide what you want, what your range is, and how you want to design.
First one is Jubilee Hill, second is Sharath Market. So, any
Jubilee Hill.
expansion?
Well, we have just opened the second outlet. We are planning on. Let's see how the response is to this, how much more Hyderabad wants us. And I'm sure it's only a matter of time before everyone in Hyderabad is a Bombay Shirt Company customer. That's the dream, sir.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you.
So, comments on okay, ready, one, Anna. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start.
So guys, come and shop your favorite style of Bombay.
నన్ను కూడా తింటావా మీరంతా కస్టమర్లు
కంపెనీ లాంచ్కి వచ్చాము. ఐ లైక్ దే షర్ట్స్ రియలీ వెల్. వీళ్ళ బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే దే హ్యావ్ దేర్ యూనిక్, మనకు నచ్చిన కాలర్ కప్స్ కానీ మనకు నచ్చిన ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, కంఫర్ట్, ఫిట్టింగ్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే హ్యావ్. నేను ఇప్పుడు వేసుకుంటున్న షర్ట్ కూడా బాంబే షర్ట్ కంపెనీ. దీనిలో ఫిట్టింగ్, కంఫర్ట్, ఇట్స్ రియలీ నైస్ అండ్ ఐ రియలీ లైక్ ఇట్.
సో మొత్తం కలెక్షన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి?
సో వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏంటంటే ఫార్మల్, సెమీ ఫార్మల్, టీ షర్ట్స్, క్యాజువల్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే హ్యావ్. యూ కెన్ కమ్ షాప్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ లైక్ ఇట్.
పర్టికులర్ సూట్స్ స్టైలింగ్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది కదా, దాని గురించి.
సో ఇప్పుడు షూటింగ్స్ ఏంటంటే సెమీ క్యాజువల్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో దీస్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ దేర్ చీనోస్ నుంచి షూటింగ్స్, లెనిన్ సూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర. సో ఐ లైక్ దీస్ కలెక్షన్స్.